Okay, welcome back. As part of this video module, we are going to look at Introduction to PRINCE2. PRINCE2 is a structured approach for project management, a best practice, a public framework suitable for the projects of any size, any environment, any domain, any industry and any platform. The learning objectives of PRINCE2 course is to enable the participants to understand the structure, the key terminologies of PRINCE2, the method, specifically the candidates to understand the key concepts of the best practices PRINCE2 and apply the principles, themes and processes and understand the environment of the project and tailor the projects accordingly as recommended in the PRINCE2 course. Okay, the benefits of using PRINCE2 best practice methodology for project management is because it's a best practice, a proven methodology adopted worldwide and accepted by all the practitioners across the globe, which provides a common vocabulary for the project management, well-defined roles which insist on focusing on the products, communications and control, and effective use of time from senior management, continued project viability, then stakeholder engagement in decision making. It promotes learning and improvement on a continual basis, movement of people from one project to another as part of the contextual scenario of the project management, which PRINCE2 throws the lights on it. Yeah, benefits of PRINCE2 is the adoption of a best practices which is accepted worldwide, which provides a common vocabulary and well-defined roles and responsibilities. PRINCE2 focuses on delivery of the products, provides a structured approach for communication management, stakeholder engagement, risk management. PRINCE2 helps organization to justify the project and senior management to take the right decisions in the right time so that projects remains viable and desirable for the organization and make sense for investing on the project which organization has taken initiative for. What is outside PRINCE2? PRINCE2 does not provide inputs on specialist aspects, detailed techniques and leadership capability. So in this module, we understood what is PRINCE2, learning objectives of PRINCE2 and benefits of using PRINCE2 best practices for project management. In the next module, we are going to look at 4 integrated elements as recommended in PRINCE2 for project management. I hope this information regarding PRINCE2 is valuable to you and useful. Let us look at 4 integrated elements of PRINCE2 in the next module. We will see you there. Thank you.